In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom Salesforce list view. A custom list view lets you quickly focus on just the records you care about, using filters that you define and can reuse anytime. To begin, open the records list you want to customize. This could be accounts, contacts, leads, or any other object your organization uses. Simply navigate to the tab for that object so you see its standard list of records on screen. Once you're on that list, look for the List View Controls icon, which appears as a small gear near the top right of the list area. This is different from the main setup gear for the whole app. You want the one attached to the list itself. Click that gear to reveal the list view options. Choose New to create a fresh list view. You'll be prompted to provide a name and an API name. The name is what you and your teammates will see in the list picker, so make it clear and specific, like My Priority Accounts This Quarter. The API name usually fills in automatically based on the name you enter. It's used behind the scenes and typically replaces spaces with underscores. If your organization has naming conventions, follow them here to keep things tidy and consistent. After you've named it, click Save. At this point, your new list view is created and ready to use. You'll usually see a default set of records until you define your filters. This is where the power of list views really comes in. You can add filters to narrow the list to just what matters, such as showing only records you own, records with a certain status, or items updated within a specific time frame. Keep your filters as simple or as precise as you need, and give yourself clear logic so the results match your intent. As you adjust and apply filters, Salesforce saves them with the list view. That means the next time you return to this list, your criteria are already in place, saving you clicks and helping you stay focused. If your role allows it, you can later consider options like sharing the list view with others or pinning it so it opens by default. But the core setup is complete once you name, save, and filter. And that's all there is to it. By opening the right records list, using the list view gear, creating a new view with a clear name, saving it, and applying filters, you'll have a custom, reusable list view that surfaces exactly the data you need when you need it.